So my name is Julien Perrier. I'm VP of Manufacturing for CertainTeed in Canada, and I've been with the company for 23 years. So what excites me in the Lanaé product and this new launch is the product itself. So the product is very innovative, it's very different, it feels different, and from the customer perspective, I really feel that they're going to see it and enjoy a different product. The new product that you will see, it feels and it touches different, and the color is much lighter. But also the way we produce and manufacture is a big innovation change. So at the end, it's a product which is softer, easier to install. So Saint-Gobain is fully committed to grow and impact, which is our strategic plan. So the idea is to grow and to have a positive impact. And so this product has an impact because it's getting us to a different binder, which is better for the user and for the planet in general. So CertainTeed is leading on the sustainability and innovation, so it's really changing the way we produce and the way we deliver on the market. The launch of the new product is the start of other initiatives that we have, where we work towards more circularity, a better energy efficiency, and you see that in that product and you see that in other products from CertainTeed. What I'm the most proud of is the collaborative work with the team to be able to achieve such a step change in the product and to deliver a new product to the market. It took a lot of effort, and I'm really grateful for the work that the team did together.